यहाँ रिकॉर्डिंग और
ऐसी कार स्पीड स्लो।
देखना यहाँ लाल लाल हो गए
हाँ,
कलर।
5, 6 शुरू हो गया।
So hello guys, welcome back to my moto vlog, and today I am riding this beast. This is Yamaha R15 V3. First I have to be familiar with the bike. Of course it's a little bit aggressive as it's a sports bike. I mean aggressive means the riding posture is too aggressive. A little bit different from my motorcycle. Beautiful bike man, beautiful bike. भैया 100 का। Beautiful man, beautiful. This bike is a beast. तो भाई देख सकते हो इस बीस्ट को. It's really beautiful, beautiful. Actually it is a little bit of dirty, and the tail looks damn. It's which tire it is? MRF Masseter. What the heck? I can't even read that. It's I think 140 section. Yeah, 140 70 17-inch rim, and the Vibri brake calipers. It's how much I don't know. And the front looks really aggressive. Okay, and it's not a vent, man. It's not a vent. Actually it is just a showpiece. It's closed from here, and Yamaha Racing the call of blue weekend. It's really beautiful, and the bike names as Vampire, and this is the channel you can visit and see the vlogs, and it is the Instagram handle of the Vamp Boy. Beautiful bike, beautiful, absolutely insane. I can say that if you want a bike that can give you insane amount of power and like a aggressive look and posture, it's this bike, man. It does have telescopic suspension because of course it's a BS4. At that time Yamaha didn't give USD forks, so that's okay. Telescopic forks does the work. That's not an excuse. And if you want a V3, you can go for the R15S. That's same look, same power, all the same things, but you don't get the USD forks. That's all, nothing else, and it's really beautiful. I can say that if you love sports bike, you are gonna love this. And here it is written fastest path. It's really beautiful. So let's give it another ride. It got about 18.1 bhp and 14 newton meters of torque. Actually it is BS4, so it got about 19 bhp and 14 point around 8 nm of torque. That's the specs. I think it is right. So let's ride it. beautiful, man.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
Beautiful bike, man. Beautiful bike. I love the aggression it gives. It gives me goosebumps, man. The road is little bumpy here, so I'm not giving it full throttle. I've never ridden above 110 kilometers per hour, so I'm a little scared to ride this because it's not my own bike. So you have to ride responsibly. You have to keep it under 100 or 110 because I have rode only 125cc till now, and this is the beast I got. It's a beast for me for right now because it's giving me a real aggressive posture. So it's a beautiful machine, man. And the ABS kicks in so beautiful. अरे भाई क्या बाइक है यार, क्या बाइक है. I love this machine, man. I love this machine. Beautiful, beautiful. This is what I wanted. I actually suggest everyone to ride slowly, ride safely, but it's the most beautiful thing in the world right now for me. What the heck, my balaclava sucks. You have noticed till now my balaclava always sucks, man. It's a high revving engine, so I'm keeping it above 4000 RPM. That's not necessary. You can keep it under also, because this thing can pull. Okay, it got enough torque that for a person, a single person or a double person. And the wheel launches at about 7500 RPM, and that's crazy machine. It's a crazy machine. So if you like this video, do tell me in the comment, and please support me, guys. I always dreamed of this. I mean so sports bike, not an R15. I mean R15 is also a sports bike, but I personally love R15, but R15 R15 V3. R15 is good to pronounce. Actually I stopped because I'm not used to it till now. भाई लिमिटर क्या आवाज कर रहा है भाई. अरे भाई लिमिटर क्या आवाज कर रहा है. दिस इज अ बीस्ट. दिस इज अ बीस्ट. bike doesn't struggle at all for the 100 kilometers per hour. It can achieve 100 kilometers per hour in I don't know, maybe 10 or 12 seconds, 10 seconds, under 10 seconds, I think. And I'm not pushing this bike because it's not my bike, of course. It's a beautiful bike though. Man, I am just cruising in speed of 100 kilometers per hour. I mean, it's insane. Of course, the bike is 155cc and it's just giving me goosebumps. It's beautiful, man. I think I should buy this. I really think it gives me a little bit smile in the face because I've never rode powerful bikes. I mean this powerful bikes, sports bikes. I've rode a Bullet 350 and it was not made for me. I think that because right now I'm in the age of teenage. I'm in the teenage years, so I prefer a thoda sporty bike. So it's a beautiful bike, man. I thought of getting along with him with a ride, but he was going to the gym and I just skipped the gym for this bike. It's beautiful. I really love this bike. That bus wala is also giving me flybys. Beautiful content. I love this. Yo. Oh my leg. भाई लेग का थोड़ा समस्या है. थोड़ा एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा अग्रेसिव है मेरे लिए, बहुत ज़्यादा. हाउस द rear brakes? Rear brakes are not so responsive. Of course, sports bike doesn't have a responsive rear brakes, but front brakes are awesome. The Vibri calipers gives enough confidence to you that you can speed a little bit. But I suggest everyone don't speed that much. It's a national highway, so I can speed a little bit, you know ना. तो भाई आराम से चलाया करो. ये बाइक हमारे लिए ही है, अगर मतलब तुम्हारे लिए ही है भाई. तुम चलाओगे आराम से चलाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. जब तक ज़िंदा रहोगे बाइक चलाने को मिल रही है, यही तो बड़ी बात है. अगर तुम मर जाओगे तो फिर बाइक भी तो गई, और फिर क्या फ़ायदा तुम्हारा बाइक लेने का ना लेने का. So it's a beautiful bike. So if you like this content, please comment, share, and whatever you can do, just support me, guys. Support me. And let's end this vlog with a beautiful note. Ride safe, stay safe, and enjoy every moment of life. Bye bye.
Please subscribe, whatever.